Storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. I need a new heart who doesn't know who you are. Be like. Have you ever wished your heart could hit the reset button after a breakup? One, heart memory full. Be like. My heart keeps replying old episodes. Reason, sometimes memories stay longer than we want. Two, emotional GPS error. Be like, my heart still tries to drive your address. Reason, habits take time to change. Three, wrong playlist. Be like, every song suddenly sounds like a breakup soundtrack. Reason, music often connect to memories. Four, heart software update. Be like, installing a version 2.0, fewer sad flashbacks. Reason, growth helps us move forward. Five, memory pops up ads. Be like, I opened a snack and somehow remembered you. Reason, small things can trigger memories. Six, new heart application. Be like, requirements, no knowledge of my ex. Reason, a fresh start can feel appealing. Seven, emotional time machine. Be like, one photo send my heart back 3 years. Reason, pictures can be powerful reminders. Eight, brain versus heart. Be like, brain says move on, heart says loading. Reason, feeling and logic don't always match. Nine, customer service needed. Be like, excuse me, my heart is blocked. Can I get a technical support? Reason, healing can be challenging. And heart lost its password. Be like, good, now it cannot log into old memories. Reason, forgetting can sometimes help. 11. New chapter. Be like, my heart is looking for a better sequel. Reason, life keeps moving forward. 12. Emotional spring cleaning. Be like, removing old boxes labeled what if. Reason, letting go creates a space for growth. 13. Heart on vacation. Be like, currently unavailable. Please try again later. Reason, everyone needs a time to recover. 14. Fresh notebook. Be like, starting a new page with fewer tears and more smiles. Reason, new experiences bring new opportunities. 15. New heart, new adventure. Be like, this heart has never heard of you and it's busy enjoying life. Reason, healing allows us to focus on the future. Sometimes I need a new heart who doesn't know who you are simply means wanting a fresh start. Memories may stay, but with time, growth, and new experiences, the heart learns to smile again. Like, share, and subscribe. Gracias.